Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect MongoDB Atlas to Zapier. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To connect MongoDB Atlas to Zapier, start by logging into your MongoDB Atlas account. Once you're in, navigate to the project that contains your database. Click on the Database Deployments tab to view your clusters. Next, select the cluster you wish to connect to Zapier. In the upper right corner, click on Connect. Choose the option that says Connect your application. You will see a connection string displayed. Before copying it, make sure to replace password with your actual database password. Take note of the database name and the connection string. Now, head over to your Zapier account. If you don't have an account, you will need to sign up first. Once logged in, click on My Apps in the left sidebar. In the search bar, type MongoDB to find the MongoDB integration. Click on MongoDB from the list of apps. Now, click the Connect a New Account button. You will be prompted to enter the connection string. Paste the connection string you copied earlier into the provided field. Make sure it's formatted correctly. Click Yes, continue to proceed. Zapier will now attempt to test the connection to your MongoDB Atlas database. If the connection is successful, you will see a confirmation message. If there's an error, double-check your connection string for any mistakes. Once connected, you can start creating zaps that interact with your MongoDB database. Select the triggers or actions you want to automate with MongoDB. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your zap step by step. After configuring your zap, you can turn it on and automations will begin to run seamlessly. And that's it. Your MongoDB Atlas is now connected to Zapier. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.